Let's talk about the one tool you absolutely need to turn your fashion ideas into real products. Yeah, if that's happened to you, you've hit a super common roadblock in this industry. See, for a professional factory, just quoting from a picture is way too risky for them. So what you see as a clear vision, a factory just sees a long list of unanswered questions. They need details like fabric weight and stitch types just to start thinking about the cost. So what's the answer? Well, you've got to speak the language that the factories understand. And that language is the tech pack. Think of it as the official blueprint for your clothing. It spells out every single detail, leaving absolutely no room for guesswork. So let's flip this around for a sec. Why do factories even need one from you? Well, they have a strict process, and every single step relies on data from that tech pack. They're not trying to be difficult, it's just that production requires total precision. All right, ready to build one? Let's break down exactly what you're going to need. First up, the core stuff: detailed sketches, fabric specs, trims, and construction notes. And don't forget measurement charts with grading rules. That's how you get all your sizes right. Okay, so putting in all this work doesn't just get you a price, it actually gives you power. And this chart just says it all. You go from an amateur request to a professional partnership. A solid tech pack shows you're serious. That lowers their risk and often gets you better pricing. No more vague quotes or, surprise costs that just pop up out of nowhere. But a quick reality check here. Even perfect tech packs can't stop prices from shifting a bit. Just remember this quote. Seriously, almost every problem can be traced right back to the tech pack. So is your blueprint ready to actually build your vision? That's the real question.